Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to apply filter in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to apply filter, okay, any of the cell or any of the column, so how to do it? Here you will see I have a sheet and I want to apply a filter, okay, on this one. Okay, as I have already applied filter on this one. Okay, so if I want to apply a filter here in this section, okay, location section in E column. Okay, so how to do it? Here you have to select the column which you want to, on which you want to apply the filter. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see sort and filter option, click on it, and then here you will see filter option. Okay, click on filter option, then here you will see a small arrow. Okay, down arrow, click on it, then you can just if I want to select this Ahmedabad, okay, then click on apply filter, then here you will see filter has been applied. So like this you can apply filter in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.